Good Monday morning, South Carolina weather watchers. I am the host for South Carolina Weather, just Peterson, and let's go ahead and talk about the weather for your Monday. So, looking at the radar right now for South Carolina, obviously we do have this entire just clear space, really, and really on us right now. Now, obviously, there's clouds up there in the sky. I'll show you all the cloud cover, but nice clear pocket of no rain, and that's what we're under right now. So, nice conditions throughout most of South Carolina, if not all of South Carolina today. Going on ahead and looking at the entire United States, going ahead and scroll out and check it out, you can obviously see that if we go ahead and switch over to the MRMS, you can see that mostly we have all the reflectivity mainly in the central US, but if we go ahead and turn on the winter weather radar as well, you can see that the East Coast is doing pretty well. You can also see that most of this rain right here, heavy downpours, going into a more favorable environment for severe weather, mainly for northern Louisiana. And also, we do have that snow on the backside as well, bringing snowy conditions from Canada all the way down to Texas. The Panhandle of Texas will be receiving some snow today. Also, we do have some rain and a snow mix for the Rockies and the Cascades, and then rainy conditions up there for the Pacific Northwest. And that's pretty much all we're looking for. Great Lakes region can also see a mix of rain and snow. Let's go ahead and look at the cloud tracker for right now. The cloud tracker, obviously, I was just talking about it. Mainly cloudy conditions, but definitely some clearing near Georgetown, Myrtle Beach, Dolores, Conway, and places like that. But where I am, near Charleston, you can see that it's obviously cloudy over there. And if I look outside, it's cloudy right now. So it's cloudy in most of the regions, but definitely it will it will mainly stay partly cloudy to mainly mostly cloudy. So I still do think that there's a chance for some pockets to definitely open up for some blue skies to come through. I don't think it's going to be cloudy all day, but but obviously there's a chance that it does. Moving on to our current temperatures. Current temperatures right now 37 in Greenville, 37 in Columbia, 44 in Charleston, 41 in Myrtle Beach, 52 in Savannah, 46 in Beaufort, 41 in Augusta, 39 in Anderson, 35 in Rock Hill, 39 in Sumter, and 37 in Florence. Those are our current temperatures right now. No, nobody below freezing right now, so we're doing pretty well right now. Going on ahead and looking at our maximum temperatures for today. Maximum temperature to reach 64 in Columbia and Sumter, 61, 62 up there at the upstate, 66 near Savannah, 65 near Augusta, 58 near Myrtle Beach, 63 near Florence, 64 Sumter, 62 Charleston. So those are our maximum temperatures for today. Our max wind gusts not going to be too high. Obviously, if you look over to our west, widespread 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts is possible for all of Mississippi. But if we go ahead and just look at South Carolina, we're not watching anything too bad. Maybe just a couple of 15, 20, maximum 25 miles an hour wind gusts throughout most of South Carolina. So maximum 25, minimum I'd say around 10 to 15 for sure. No precipitation. Well, I mean, if you include that little sliver up there, but if you don't include the sliver, no precipitation is expected. But let's go on ahead and talk about the models. So going on ahead and scrolling down South Carolina and turning on our HRRR model, you can see that here we go at the 0Z. Once we push it forward, you can see that it's going to start doing that. And okay, let's go. So you push it forward, and you see some rain maybe trying to form going into western South Carolina. I think I do need to turn on the composite reflectivity instead. Yeah, I do. Alright, so as you can see, you push this forward, you just have, I mean, this could turn out to be just small showers, but I don't really think there'll be anything that we have to worry about. But it's really when you get to this part right here. This is around 2 a.m. tomorrow morning. Actually, this is 2 a.m. like 18 hours from now. We can have showers falling up inside the upstate, as well as the potential for those showers to start going at around 9 a.m. tomorrow morning up there inside the upstate. Maybe even some little showers going near the Charleston, Somerville, North Charleston, Hanahan region. And that's as far as it goes out. But there you go. As you can see already, showers already are starting to move in by tomorrow at 2 a.m. And then all the way up to 10 a.m., which is where we're at now. Showers already, again, starting to fall near the Greenville region as well. So that's the radar. Let's go ahead and move on and talk about the SPC outlook. So we do have a day 2 thunderstorm risk for obviously tomorrow, Tuesday. So would not be surprised if we saw some thunderstorms, even with some gusty winds, go through South Carolina tomorrow for mainly Columbia, Greenville, Spartanburg, Rock Hill, Augusta. So if you do get a thunderstorm, that could definitely accompany some gusty winds as well. If you go to the day 3, which is Wednesday, we do have a TSTM risk again, but not just for the western half or the northern half of South Carolina, but pretty much for most of South Carolina. Again, gusty winds could not be ruled out. If you get a thunderstorm on Wednesday, all the way out to the coast, gusty winds are possible. I think even the closer you get to the coast, is the higher chance you have of seeing those gusty winds. So we'll see what happens. Here's our day 2 excessive rainfall outlook as well. We also do have a marginal risk of excessive rainfall for tomorrow, Tuesday, March the 26th. And with that as well, if we go all the way to the day 3 for Wednesday, March the 27th, most of South Carolina is under a day 3 marginal risk of excessive rainfall for Wednesday. And then if we push forward, even into Thursday, March the 26th, we have another marginal risk of excessive rainfall, mainly for the PD region, Myrtle Beach, just east of Florence, Conway, other places like that. As you can see at day 4, marginal risk of excessive rainfall. Let's see, Dillon's in there, Marion's in there, and that's all we're pretty much looking for that region of South Carolina. Obviously, this is going to change. This is a day 4. Day 4 changes like almost. It's like likely, like they always change. So we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens, and that's gonna about wrap this video up. So thank y'all so much for watching this forecast update. If you did not see my stream yesterday, I did in fact pull up a live radar view of South Carolina. I thought it was pretty smart because, well, number one, I got 4 more subscribers yesterday, so obviously it's working. And it's definitely, people are seeing it. So if you are one of those new people, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, well, you know we have to share it. And if you're a new viewer as well, you gotta share it. You gotta share this channel out. I've known multiple people already that have shared my channel and my videos and told it to subscribe, and they all did. So if you're one of the ones that's lacking, not sharing it, well then it's just not gonna be shared, and it's not gonna get out far. So we need everybody to subscribe, like, and share this forecast update and my channel in general. Make sure that when the people see it, you tell them, oh, subscribe as well. But I mean, of course you don't have to, but that would just help out a lot. But thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all tomorrow. No, not tomorrow, tonight. Tonight with another forecast update.